After the Chief Minister of Maharashtra announced that the state was cancelling final year exams for college and university students, undergraduate and postgraduate students of different states have come up with the demand of the same policy for their states. Students of Odisha have the same demands. Many also took to social media asking for cancellation of exams. They have cited various reasons of their demand.
I think just like Maharashtra government did, governments in Odisha and across India should actually allow final year students to let off with their existing marks being taken aggregate as a few suggestions. The experts can be drawn on how to grade the students, but that should be done and no extra pressure should be put on students.
Many students, they would be traveling from red zone areas or orange zone areas, we never know. And as per the instructions given by universities to the hostelites, two hostelites can share one room. Even if social distancing is practiced, they would all be using the same washroom. So we can't really guarantee that we won't be infected with the virus.
We may not know who will spread this virus when they come to the examination hall. So, and another thing, what about the blind students? They do not have writers. How will they maintain social distancing while writing for the examination? So overall, it will affect everyone's life, including the students, their families, faculties, their families, everyone's lives. So we do not think that it is the correct time to conduct examination. So if second semester, fourth semesters can be cancelled, I think the final semesters should get cancelled in the view of this pandemic and for the lives of many.
Conducting the final year examination through online mode is not entirely possible because there are many students who don't have access to any kind of smartphone. There are many students who live in rural areas, so there's a poor connectivity. So if this decision is taken, we will all be at risk.
As we know, in the last couple of days, there is an increase in the portion of COVID-19 positive cases. It is high time to think about our social welfare and other teachers and other respective workers in our college, and also for the disabled students present in our college.
So the only way to avoid all kind of risk is cancelling the examinations, because in the end it is our lives over the examination.
Some students have also took the initiative to garner signature of students condemning the examination via online petitions. However, there has been no announcement or update on this from the government of Odisha itself. For more such updates, stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.